Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to fix Safari not working on your iPhone. If the Safari application is not opening, crashing, or refusing to load pages on your iPhone, then this guide has you covered. First of all, from your Safari app, force close the application. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and find the Safari in the app switcher. Swipe it up to close. Now reopen Safari and check if the application is working properly. The next step is to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Test it by opening any other application or website to confirm your connection is stable. If your website is working correctly, then it is good for you, but if it is not, the next step is to clear Safari cache and website data. Close off the Safari app and open up Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now look for the Safari app from the app list and tap on it. On the next page, scroll down and look for Clear History and Website Data and tap on it. Now, select the time frame from where you want to clear the history and website data and click on Clear History in the red button at the bottom. After you do that, this will remove old data that might be causing Safari to lag or crash. If the problem still persists, then try to restart your iOS device and turn on your iPhone back on after a few seconds. Once you follow these steps, you might be able to fix your issue right away. So that's how you can fix Safari not working on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.